floors do we ever tie? Kisses on the dance floor, kisses on the dance floor. We're through, or are we aimlessly just holding on for life? We're calling it house fire. Are we
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and like the video. Today I will show you how to add background blur in the video like this. So let's begin the video. Open Turbo VPN app in the smartphone and then connect it. It will automatically get connected to United States. After connecting, come back to home screen. After coming back, open CAPCUT app, click on plus icon, and import the video which you wanted to blur the background. After importing the clip, click on Effects. Go to Basic. Scroll down and select Blur. After selecting Blur, extend the blur effect to the very end and delete the ending. Now come back and click on back arrow. We need to add a layer, so click on overlay, then click on plus and import the same clip which you did before. After importing, scroll right and click on remove background. Wait till it does its work. After the background is removed, set the overlay right, according to the original clip. Play the video. Then export the video at highest settings. And yeah, that's it with the tutorial. If you like the video, subscribe for sure. Thank you.